intro. Hi, my natural beauties. This is your girl, Royalty Roots, coming today, you guys. I'm going to do a really quick 2 DIYs. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to thumbs it up. Also, hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell right next to it for us. And you guys, yep, I look a mess. Still got on work uniform, just got off, and got on the hubby's sweater as usual. Y'all know I love this. I use it as a little snuggie. But anywho, let's get into these DIYs. Thanks again. Thumbs it up. Bye.
I'm going to paint this bell and then this bell. I was going to use these on something different. I was going to use this in the craft room. I wind up not using it. I bought it from the thrift store for like $1. And then I was going to use this one in the craft room and then this one downstairs. But I'm going to do both of them and use them at the entryway table downstairs. But first I'm going to just take this stuff off because I'm not going to use that, of course, and I'm going to just paint them a different color. I'm using this white chalk paint, the Waverly chalk paint that Walmart sell. That's what we're using today. So let me remove these things off and I'll be right back.
Okay, you guys, this is the finish. Of course, this is not how I'm going to, sorry for the rockiness, stage this. I just put this right here for the video. But look at the beautiful bells. They turned out super cute with the peppermint. And then the tier tray is so cute. I wind up putting that, the ribbon and little berries that came off of, I think it came off of this one on there, and it turned out so cute. Check out the little doggy. He's so cute with his little red and white. And then of course, you guys, this beautiful little centerpiece DIY, I did that on another video. So what do you guys think? I'm gonna wind up putting these little bells, I'm going to put them on the stairwell. They're going to be super cute hanging on the garland on the stairwell. That's the way they're going to end. But right now we don't have it up, so I just did it like this for the video. But again, for the video, we just staged it like this. So don't forget to thumbs up the video if you're enjoying these quick and simple DIYs. Also hit that subscribe button below for me and the post notification bell right next to it so you guys can be alarmed when I post more videos. Thanks for watching again, and bye.